What's it like in terms of, was the expectation coming out of business school that the hours are going to be longer? Has that been what you've expected? And then tell me a little bit about just having to manage. I assume you're managing now analysts, whereas
Yeah.
at consultant, maybe you didn't. Tell me about that.
Yeah. So you're touching two great points. First one, they always tell you that it's terrible. It's worse. I mean, one bank.
Are you not sleeping?
So as I say, the start of a new year has been slightly better, but the first 6-7 months were terrible, like literally terrible. So I'm in a bank which were renewed to be one of the most workaholic, and within that bank, I mean, the team that together, so there are two teams that are renewed to be long hours. One is FIG, the other one is industrial. I'm in industrial. So it was quite heavy. And when I say heavy, especially at the beginning, because there are multiple new factors coming in. So on one hand, it's a new environment